What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you will find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money. And you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself, they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website and then I'll see you on the video. You see a reversal on GBPUSD. Reversal in which way? In buy? For buys, let's see. I could look for buys here or on the wick if there is key area on the wick, like this one. But with these market conditions, this type of move, I wouldn't look for any trade. EURJPY was looking good, is not really on my watch list. Other GBP pairs went crazy. I will stay out of GBP pairs for now. USD not at all interested. Let me see. No. NZDUSD. Need to go on higher time frames to understand what's going on. Oh, pretty bullish, nice. So USDCAD has break structure to NZDCAD, sorry, break structure to the upside. Last demand right here. We will look for buys. Now, trading into this demand, I would say that we have this break structure to the downside, and this supply right here, and Asian high also right here. So it will be, I will put an alert here for possible sells, because it will be very good that we take out Asian high, we reach order block over a direction on 4 hours is bullish. On 1 hour, we could trade our way into the 4 hours key zone. Of course, we can just go bullish from here. We do not decide what the market does, but anyway. And if I have 1 minute confirmation or 3 minutes confirmation, I will take a trade from here. Bro, AUD/USD reversal, send your analysis, please. GBPUSD, I'm not understanding what. Oh, okay, it was the analysis from earlier, from here. So you saw the break structure to the downside, the supply area, we reached the supply area. Let me see. From here, I think, yeah, I had the same supply right here. We reach it. So let me see. So this is why the Asian range is really important, because you just saw that we had your usual confirmation. So breakouts, you were looking for sales, we have this breakout structure, but Asian high was not taken out. And Asian range, I wouldn't say that needs to be used on all pairs, but it is really important for me at least on GBPUSD and EURJPY, 100% important for my trading, especially on these two pairs. So even if we have confirmation, Asian high was not taken out. Asian high was not taken out. We take it out and after taking it out, we go to the downside. Maybe this would have been your entry right here. And we will take a stop loss anyway. But I'm saying I wouldn't enter after this confirmation and this retracement right here because Asian high was not taken out. Now, if we have this confirmation, we come back, we want to enter sells, we either take a break even after we go to profit, if we are able to enter here like this, and we take a break even, or we take a loss, and that's it, and it happens. Overall analysis was there, I like it. My question is if I can, wait, what? My question is if I can look for buys from the 1 hour or the block, or better to stay away. This order block is nice, breaks this structure to the upside with strong moves. You can look for buys from here if you have good confirmation. With this USDCAD. I need to check my chart on USDCAD to tell you. So yes, we have this 1 hour order block right here or lower. Consider that we have also a zone lower and 1 hour order block also lower. Let's look at the 4 hours maybe. Okay, 4 hours becomes clearer. You have more clear understanding of what's going on, and I would just take this one, to be honest. And look for confirmation here. We close imbalance and we reach point of interest. This would be my possible entry. Can you check this one as well, please? Of course. And this is EURJPY. Ooh, I see it going bullish, to be honest. Let me see. So the only way for me to look for sales is from this area on EURJPY. We are in a very, very strong bullish trend at the moment. And I will look for sales only here because this area that I marked manipulates and breaks. Okay. So I will look for sales there. Now, at the moment, usually this is not very good confirmation. Because first of all, I think news had a role in it. Second of all, we already had initial confirmation here, manipulation, break of, not break of structure, but it is failure of zone. We enter from supply, and this would have been our entry already in profit. This can be already our trade of the day. Let's see, Asian range, even if this is less, So Asian range, as I said already, is very, very important on EURUSD and GBPUSD for me. On other pairs, less, but I will be very careful taking this trade. I would not be so confident taking this trade because Asian high was not manipulated. But as you can see, if you would have taken this trade, confirmation right here, we come back, we hit our zone that basically manipulates and breaks. And this is already a 1 to 6. Let's say you don't get a 1 to 6, you just target Asian lows, you get a 1 to 5. So that's good. Now, at this point, right now, we broke structure again to the downside. We're coming back to supply. For me personally, this would have been my trade. This right here would not be my entry, honestly. This would have been, I would have considered this. Being very careful because of the Asian high. But overall, Asian range is less important on JPY pairs because they move a lot also during Asia. So it's less important. And also the Asian high, which is this one, already manipulates and breaks. So it is a strong high. For this reason, this trade could have been considered, being very careful, but could have been considered. And this entry right here that we see now from this supply, for me personally, I don't like it. I would not take it. Euro New Zealand. I don't really see any type of confirmation for now here. No. Now, let's focus on us. Personally, today, I'm not, sorry. Personally, today, Euro USD, Asian highs manipulated. We reach point of interest that we need to refine on lower time frames. Let's see. All right, we cannot really refine it. We'll refine it to the last red candle in this case, which is this. And this could be, with confirmation, possible trade for today, USD for sales. GBPUSD not really interested due to this type of movements. Same for other GB pairs, not really interested. NZDCAD, I have another tier, so on watch list. NZDCAD for confirmation. GBPY nothing, EURJPY nothing, nothing or EURCAD, AUDUSD not interested, GBPUSD no, same as other. What is this? What is this? Oh, I was doing a one-on-one lesson, I think, because I didn't take this trade. Anyway, this is a good example on when we can just hit a stop loss. So I showed you many examples where the analysis was respected. There are also examples where you have your key area, you have your confirmation and everything, and just you hit a stop loss, and that happens. But as you can see, most of the times our analysis is respected. EURJPY not interested, USDCAD not interested from lower actually. USDCAD, I marked the 4-hour zone from here. I will look for entries lower. And that's it for me. Those pairs are the ones that I on watch list here. We have some key areas for USDJPY, but I would say that overall, I would have looked for these buys down here, not really for these sells.